Okay, so here we are. This was a, basically a panel migration, a retrofit of an old panel that didn't work anymore in a B occupancy. It was a device replacement. So all the devices that were in the building were replaced with new devices. The Simplex 4100ES panel was installed, and we use this existing wiring in the building. And one of the neat things about this particular installation was we used the True Alert self-test addressable notification appliances, which have the self-testing feature. So if you could run us through that, Robert. How does that work with this panel?
Well, you log in level 3, you go to diagnostics, and you'll see a True Alert test function. Hit the enter button. It'll ask you, do you want to do the self-test? You hit enter and run the test, and it's going to go out and test the system, and you wait for the results to come back.
And so we have the True Alert addressable self-testing notification appliances, and we're initiating a self-test. That was the self-test feature. So all of the notification appliances in the building tested themselves simultaneously. It was one basically a beep, a horn, and they flashed. Okay, so now
wait till it comes back and you'll see the screen. You'll be able to see it. You can kind of see it. See, it's running the self-test. Please wait. And the SIG 900 is all the devices.
So all of the devices in the building activated, flashed,
yep,
sounded once. So we didn't have to run.
And there it is. 32 passed, 0 failed, 0 unreported. You could hit enter to view reports, or you could exit, or you could download it to your laptop.
So a test that would have normally taken us in this building probably not that long, but it would have definitely probably,
yeah, the more devices, I'm sure, the longer.
Yeah, and it would probably disturb the occupants, staff, employees in the building, where we just had a single activation of the audible and the visuals, and all of the devices passed. So now what do we do? How would you get this into something you could use that was usable for, let's say, an NFPA document?
You'd bring the downloader, upload reports, and you can go to True Alert self-test reports and upload it. Browse to your location where you want it to be saved at, and it should go there.
So now we're downloading the test results,
yep,
to your laptop.
Okay, and they're done. And then we get to the page.
Or go ahead and...
It's a text file.
Okay, so here are the test results of the test we just ran. And basically what we have there is
all the addressable numbers, all the channel they're on.
The channel and the addressable number. The actual device location that's in a custom label. The visual part of it came out normal, and the audible came out normal where we have audibles, and where we don't, that was not applicable, NA. So then this could be taken and printed out in a document, and it's NFPA compliant, and it's also a approved method within NFPA for testing your notification appliances now. So cool. So if you can imagine this being something that would you'd be doing in a high-rise where you had hundreds of devices, literally hundreds of devices, maybe notification appliances, and you could actually be finished in a matter of minutes as opposed to hours or days. 4100ES Simplex.